Hello everybody, it's Tanya Davenport with Coldwell Banker. I am standing at a property. It's a brand new home, new construction, and as you can see, it has got a view and a half. It is in the community of Big Valley. I'm at the fireplace, outdoor fireplace area. I want to show you around it. All right, you can see here. It's got lights, and I did not turn them on. It has a wraparound porch. It is paved. The community is gated and paved. So I just wanted to start it out here to show off this great view. All right, so I'm not in front. I am where the driveway is. As you can see, it has a carport. The home is located, like I said, it is in the community of Big Valley. Look at that view. Let me see if I can pull this down some. It is a new development. It's 95 Upper Ridge. It is 1,700 square feet on the main floor, and it's 1,700 on the lower. So it is a 3-bedroom, 3 full bath, but it also has an additional half bath in the basement. You've got extra parking around here. Now this lot backs up to a huge amount of acreage, so there's no building going to go on behind you. And there is additional property that is available if you want to keep this whole ridge to yourself. And like I had said before, it's wraparound porch. Can't wait to take you in. All you can see is views when you come in. Lots of light. Huge kitchen. Take my sunglasses off. It's chilly. It is the 2nd of January. You can see all these cabinets. And now I can't see because I don't have my glasses on. It's got gas. All these appliances are high-end. And the rock that's in this home is just absolutely spectacular. I love the lighting under the cabinets. It just really displays at night. It is beautiful. So you got Bosch appliances, lots of cabinets. And that bar, there's no telling how many people you could actually have sitting at this bar. You'd have a big old group. Really cool cabinets here on both sides. You've got plenty of space for all kinds of stuff. You've also got a pantry on the other side for more room. So this door right here is where I started the video to show you the view. So that beautiful is spacious. You really don't even have to screen it in, but if you wanted to, you could. It's a beautiful rock fireplace. As you can see, you've got plenty of room for a dining room table, a huge one. Plenty of space through there. Let me show you up above. All the trim work, all the accents, and look at the rock wall. I just love it. And then, of course, you've got that view to capture the whole time. So here on this main level, you've got 2 bedrooms. You have this one right here. And it's considered a master. You've got the walk-in closet. And then you can see you've got the bathroom there. Let me show you the lights. I love all the lighting here. really cool. All the accents just flow throughout this home. Even here in the hallway. They've put a lot of detail in this property. So here's the master. Look at the wall. Is that not amazing? It's gorgeous. All of them have great roof lines. You don't have to worry about any of this being off center, as you can see. See, they're hung right in the middle. Some homes you go into and they're not. So you've got that view to enjoy in the master. And this bathroom is gorgeous. For more space in both of these homes, you can see you've got the barn doors. That other bedroom I showed you did too. So you've got a washer and dryer on the main floor and on the basement level. Look how huge that shower is. All that tile work. And then you've got a place for your shampoos and stuff. All right, so the granite that you've got in here is just like the bar. Plenty of space. You've got all that beautiful circle saw flooring. So here you have a private Johnny. And then you've got to the left, you have your space for your washer and dryer. Lots of room in there. Now is the actual closet. It's huge. It could be another bedroom. It goes all the way to there. Lots of space. Lots of lighting in this home too. I can't speak enough about how beautiful this property is. I love to come up here. All right, so I'm going to take you down to the basement. All right, so I had to pause the video just so I could go and turn on all the lights. You can see it's very spacious. All right, so going down here, I'll take you into the utility area real quickly. So you can see you've got plenty of room in here. And you've got your gas hot water heater for constant water. And then it opens up, very spacious basement. And then you've got a spare bathroom right here. You can see everything just flows. Even down to the landscaping outside looks great. And the mulch really matches the home very well. It's all just done so well. So very spacious down here. You've got, in this door right here, you've got the HVAC system. Also the one that was in the utility area as well. So, and look, here's more of this rock work. Got it not just on the fireplace, but just lined on the walls, which I haven't seen. I just love it. It's beautiful rock. All right, so you got a bedroom over here, but I want to show you the space that you've got. Lots of room. Lots of room. And then you've got this beautiful kitchen. Another refrigerator that's Bosch. And you've got your wine fridge. And then all this additional space. And so, as you can see, the cabinets just match what's upstairs. You got a door that goes out to a rocked area. I want to go ahead. Well, I'll wait to take you out there. All right. But see, as you can see, views. Magnificent views. All right. So in here, there is another washer and dryer insert. Lots of room. so you can set up your laundry. All right, so pretty much all 3 bedrooms are master. And you got the walls that are designed. They're, everything has been detailed. So out here you could have a hot tub on this side, or you could do it on the other side, and I'll show you all that's there is to offer out there. So the tile work is similar to the master upstairs, and it is large shower. And as you can see, the bathroom, they don't skip on size, so you've got plenty of room. So you've got the same vanities, lighting, mirrors. Now the bathroom's out here, but no big deal. So you got a walk-in closet. It's not as large as the one upstairs, but it is still large. And then you also have a pantry here with lights. Like I said, it's well lit home. There is no area that doesn't have lights. So no problem with anyone not being able to see. All right, so I want to take you outside. This space is really fixed up for anybody that's really looking to have an outdoor entertaining area. So as you can see, all this rock on the floors, got tin on the ceiling, and you've got outlets that you can put lighting in. You can see that the concrete is painted. Now, what you've got here is an outdoor kitchen space ready to be hooked up. So do have some design ideas for that, but the plumbing's here. Everything is ready for that. And I keep saying I apologize, but see that view? So then right here you could put your fire pit, because there's a lot of space, whole lot of space. You could have a bar area, you could have a sitting area. You don't even have to do a fire pit, but I wouldn't mind having a fire pit if the guys were over here, because you could set up a TV. You've got the hookups for your TV here, as well as a bar area. And you've got all of that hooked up in the other, on the inside as well. So lots of areas for TVs. People love. So you do have some yard. It's not steep property. It's gentle laying. All right, this is Big Valley, and this is 95 Upper Ridge Trail, a 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath, and a beautiful community. So community water is set up, and not very far from Blue Ridge or Blairsville, kind of located right in between. So you're minutes away from any stores that you need to go to. But as you can see, everything is here. Oh, and another thing that everyone would like to know is there is a car charging station up above. So all you have to do is get that battery and you can charge your electric car. So if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me, Tanya Davenport, with Coldwell Banker High Country in the beautiful North Georgia mountains, at a gorgeous new construction home that has landscaping, outdoor amenities. Inside's all ready for you to go. So really the only thing that you need is yourself. Give me a call, 706-455-6977.